To organize our verse devices like any other asset, the first time we do this, there is a little bit of setup. So go ahead and create a folder. In my case, it says verse devices. Now we're going to have to go ahead and create a new verse device, and we'll go ahead and just create a generic one with nothing fancy in it. Now you'll notice that it pops up here, and we can see it down here if we go ahead and build our code. Now building our code also opens up a few pieces. Let's go ahead and toggle off the hide empty directories, and we can see that here is our verse devices folder, which is this one right here. However, we can't click and drag this into here, and we can't click and drag this in over here. We have to go to VS Code to organize this. So let's go ahead and open that up. Inside of VS Code, you can see here is our verse device, and here is the folder that we want to put it in. Simply just click and drag this inside of here like so. It'll ask us if we really want to move it. We'll say go ahead and move. Then let's go back over to UEFN, and you'll notice over here that it is actually lining up inside of this folder. If we open up the content drawer, you'll notice that this is not inside of this folder though. Easy enough to fix. Let's go ahead and open up the folder, and we'll go ahead and hit Control-Shift-B to build the code, and it should just pop up in there. Let's go back just to make sure that it's not in here. Perfect, exactly as we need. Now we can toggle Hide Empty Directories back on, and I can go ahead and click on any folder, and I can go ahead and add in a new verse device at any time into these new folders, go back into the content drawer, and open up that specific folder. If we go ahead and build our code afterwards, we'll see that they do pop up as needed.